The latest roof hatch from PS Doors utilizes one-of-a-kind Slidewise technology to open horizontally, eliminating wind damage typically seen with traditional tip-up hatches. The Slidewise Roof Hatch features energy-efficient insulation, security locking, and is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum. It installs easily on new construction or to any existing curb without damaging or modifying roofing materials. PS Doors offers a 10-year product warranty on this durable hatch. An optional OSHA-compliant safety railing improves personnel safety by guarding the open hatch and providing horizontal grab bars for exiting and entering the hatch opening. Slidewise, the smartest, most reliable hatch for your roof. It's quick and easy to install the Slidewise Roof Hatch from PS Doors. First, apply full perimeter gasketing onto the top of the curbing. Next, place the hatch assembly on the curb. Finally, slide the hatch open and anchor. A compatible safety railing system easily mounts to pre-drilled mounting brackets. The Slidewise Roof Hatch installs on new construction or to your existing curbing. You're just minutes away from the industry's smartest horizontally sliding roof access hatch. Slidewise, the smart hatch for your roof.